Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is UN Forum on Forest. Recently, India shared its revised national forest policy during the 19th United Nations Forum on Forest, held in New York, United States. UNFF 19 commenced with a clear objective of accelerating progress toward achieving the global forest goals and bolstering sustainable development efforts by 2030. At the forum, delegates began discussions on combating forest fires and developing a Model Forest Act. UNFF also focused on the UN's Strategic Plan for Forests 2017 to 2030. India recommended adopting an integrated approach to forest fire prevention and management, along with post-fire landscape restoration through policy interventions. It shared its experience with technology adoption, including the use of remote sensing for near real-time fire monitoring, online geoportals for forest fire reporting, and ecosystem-based approaches for post-fire restoration. It also proposed operationalization of the Global Fire Management Hub by the UN Environment Programme and FAO, which aims to create a platform for sharing knowledge and experience in mitigating forest fires. The UNFF is an intergovernmental policy forum which promotes management, conservation, and sustainable development of all types of forest. UNFF was established in 2000 by the UN Economic and Social Council. The forum has universal membership as it is composed of all member states of the United Nations and specialized agencies. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, which of the following organizations are related to the Global Fire Management Hub? UN Environment Programme, Food and Agriculture Organization, both A and B, or none of the above? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe for more such content.
For more informative content, like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.